Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to join a Steam group or community. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and download the Steam application. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Steam if you haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So as you can see, in the top left corner we have the store, we have the library, the community and your profile. And we have this bar in the middle where we have your store, new and noteworthy, categories, and the search bar. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and join a Steam group or community. So, joining a Steam group or community is a great way to connect with other gamers. You can launch the Steam client on your computer and go to the Steam website and log into your account, as I told you in the start of the video. Then click on the community tab at the top screen, the window screen. So it's here. So store, library, and we have community. In the community section, use the search bar to find groups based off your interest. You can search for specific groups or browse through the recommended ones. Once you find a group you're interested in, click on the view its page. You'll see a join group button. Click it to become a member. After joining, you can participate in group discussions, events, and other activities. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it would be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.